Hello, I'm Johnnie Johnson, and I'm here today to show you all the features and benefits of AtroGuard water-resistant flooring. AtroGuard is a water-resistant floor with a 100% natural wood fiber core. It combines the rigidity and the realistic wood look of a laminate flooring with the water resistance and durability of a luxury vinyl. The first component is the wear resistance layer. AtroGuard comes with an AC4 highly resistant commercial rating. This means you don't have to worry about high foot traffic or kids and pets having fun in the house. The second layer is a decorative graphic sheet. This layer provides the beautiful and unique look. The third component is AtroGuard's SureCore. Ultra stable 100% natural wood fiber core. It is 60% more stable than standard laminate floors. The fourth layer is a balancing layer. This layer guarantees a perfectly balanced board. Certain products come with a pre-attached backing that will provide a natural sound barrier and extra joint support for superior noise resistance. All AtroGuard floors are subjected to rigorous tests that are designed to ensure that all products abide by the highest standards. All AtroGuard products are 100% PVC free and are certified by the Green Guard certification program. With an extra stable core and a tight lock installation system, AtroGuard is easy to install, and thanks to the floor's rigidity, it only requires a minimum subfloor preparation. AtroGuard flooring can be installed over 4,000 square feet without any unsightly transition moldings. That is over 4 times larger area than traditional laminate floors. AtroGuard flooring can be installed in any room inside the house where the floor is solid and flat. This includes bathrooms, laundry rooms, and basements. Clean the floor regularly. You can use a dust mop or vacuum with the correct hard surface attachment. The use of residential steam mops on this product is allowed. Do not allow for moisture to remain on the floor for longer than 72 hours. Pet stains need to be cleaned within 24 hours. AtroGuard is warranted for residential and commercial applications. AtroGuard comes in 2 different sizes, 7x48 and 8x48. Some of AtroGuard products are EIR, or embossed and registered finishes that truly make it look like real wood. You will be able to see the texture where the knots are showing in the wood's pattern. Also available textures include brushed and hand scraped. If you would like to learn more about AtroGuard, check out our website at www.atroguard.com. Thanks for watching.